one of the government official, serving government official in Ebonyi State, woke me up some days ago, and we're going to agree FEMA last year. No, to first call on the ABC sort of, and so you're not or same as my area, melum. When peak interest. If only can do business to best na pomo yenzu makana we are no need anyone health insurance. Oh yeah, look. I just got my brother money changwa yoti in a picture. So bad. I wish you good luck. Zuzube. I'm yenzu no problem. Na ne advice ki yesi dem ma. Iji maka Jesus na me pono bonya ra ka Ezeaku. Onyenzu. Jisike now. Oh, jisike. Yata go yeni na nne me ko imo avoid ko yari megi. Ko yari mendi Igbo. Ka yamari ko si aloro ma na China. Ya bia kwa alo ka Jesus so gi. Oh. Jisike na. Now, this man called me. Kedi ogwam. Osimu Ezeaku ihe ọma ga-abịa arịa bịalụ njubia osimu na nwatakịrị ya bịara ihe na advocacy ya na-alụ nya chọkwa iti ọkpa ebe dị iche iche nya jekete n'ọgwụ jekete n'owe nya chekwa ka iti ọkpa ebe ọzọ nya ga-ekwe my program yotago nya simba n'ihe Ezeaku na-ekwu Kennedy biko na teaching mu mezi nya this week ma iji area ebe ọbụla na-eje eje na wee kpọrọ nwatakịrị ya jewe ka ebe na-akpịa jewe UK je UK eme ya test ọbụna onwe ihe ọ dị anejitu yatago oniku mkpoto ya gana ọbụna onwe ihe ọ dị moto nke asem na yime gwada asụ asụ
hybrid now is electrical
I foresee me gana ni ọkụ ndị na ọ dị asụ azọ mere ọnụ ọba
ọ dị on since ya ịgbanyere on ọ dị on
electrical go àwọn kan mo olo
electrical ya no de ko mele poka
menye gidi ọkụ mbeti ya na gị ọga biru nti advisor ka nti na magic na miracle no de ka nwa virgin ha bịa ga attack start moto kwara asụ ni ọkụ ọ da afa ya ọkụ nti ya na gị ọ na-aga nti ya azọ gaba azụ ya na moto nwoke na atakwa na ebe bigo ona flip one na ọ bụrụ nke m na nke start ni ọkụ yo ya ebe a pum. So what am I saying? The man who is name na test na you ko bụ na nwe ihe ọ da nejitu no, one of the work when you're not just over treatment again, was there for man go to the child. And almost here behind the Gorian shop right. Everywhere the amateur. Now we see you want to create want to create a which up the cage incha. Saro. Obey no Kamemona give buru problem to your wine is money and make it common something. Your problem is just common something. Obelife ige wecha pananya gi power village maria ko wana onkulu ge mena since sans no je be village no je bolo no onkulu ge bugodi ngwa bugodi mo ya na ya ge poison kam treat ye ge ko na kedo nyere poison I ge me as a program we 1 month program ndi ni nyere poison
kai man the
have yes e bugodi ndi ni nyere poison ndi ni nyere poison ndị na-enye poison ajọ ka ikpokọta ọnụ ka ije ha me test yes
doctor gwa even ayo
ihe na ya
mama wonke the poison
ndị zọtara azọta na ndị riri n'ọnụ ndị agbanyere na okpuchi mmanya meela ezigbo ebele barrister meela ezigbo ebele meela ezigbo ebele
so celebrate Igboland what if I say
maka nwana anyị nwoke kpọrọ mụ na gị so mgbe receive call nwana ya ezugo si na ya were 50 million ya nwana Nnamdi Kanu junior brother Nnamdi Kanu na nye wete okay ka ya je duto ofu onye ngwulo
okay ofu ka o je duto
ofu onye so ofu dem and agwa me no boss no church ọbụla nọ na Nigeria no was a particular church ngwa ya as bonus anywhere nye abụọ
ọzọ agbata onye agwọrọ
onye ngwulo obodo mana otu
ya niile na-ekpoko class 100 class 200 ndị na-ekpoko wheelchair ndị ngwulo a niile na mesịrị miracle a
ebe ka ha
nchọtara anyị
ofu onye
ka anyị fụnara na ọ na-eme akpọ
very simple something maka isisi chọta na ụmụ nwaanyị eji surgical item arụ na China wa afọ kupụta nwa ha ka nkọ isi chọta ndị ebere ugwu ha ka nkọ mụ bụ nọmba 1 ebere ugwu ihe ndị na-abụ ihe mere mmadụ eme na ọsị ndị chọta ndị ebe ha ugwu ndị ebe ha ugwu kakwa nkụ ọwasị
we'll keep on pushing until we get to the destination.
Yes,
and that is liberation of our mental slavery. And what onye jigi bo onwe jigi. Onye na asị gị na onye no one place in America even we are not. You got to go. Just tell the person is a lie. Onye jigi bo the system they have designed for you is what is holding you down. Muna gana abokosi. Onwere kwesịrị na achọlụ m igosi akwụkwọ. N'obodo oyibo ebe ndị a design the system ọfụma. Ịnụ akwụkwọ gụcha ilukwa na 18 years ọlụdụ. Akwa ndị banyị na-agbafu na-eje obodo oyibo every time onye na-ajakpa onye alụta ebe ọmụ ife ọ na-alụ kedu ihe kpata n'obodo anyị nọ ya na onwere ife na-alụ ife military kwuo nkwa echi nwanne echi si na nkwụrụ ga-ejide gị na village n'ọnya na
graduate nearly 70,000 na Nigeria kedu ihe o gotere m nji
another way of sending somebody to criminality Oh my God, and we should tell ourselves the truth. Nobody is coming to save you. Your savior is the government in power. And that is why we are struggling very hard to put the best government in place to liberate our people. All government here government here provide you security. Go and ask the person on mobile police na be mbuegbe and you get apron he has you should declare I am whatever they used to call themselves. Who are you? Who are you? Only Fulani buegbe chicken also. You kidnap okay. You say I am so person. Who are you? You the one work. It's not say Banos and Anambra by 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. It's a remote phone on man. Goodbye. Until I knew Fat Rock or Butter. On your Banaya Mife, Obron Vishigira Loka, GP Tank. If I knew if I pass Monaga, it's for your good, it's for your children, it's for your generation. Forget all this benevolent spirit is going to do this one for you or not. First of all, give our people education, liberate them from this mental slavery, and provide enough system, good system for everybody. People keep saying, we want to make Nigeria work for everybody and not for the few. It's just a good system. A good system, but now you are son of a nobody, but you are somebody in Nigeria. You don't need to know anybody to be anybody. 100%. Because government has put everything for you. Government has put every infrastructure for you to survive and be a human being and earn a living wage. Operating in Alwalo, and 70,000.
So 150 go to Hoji.
You go to motor, but you go
barrister. Now, when you open up in Nigeria nearly 2,000 naira in the morning. So yeah,
almost 15,000. That is half salary mad.
Half salary mad. Now mad nearly 2,000 in the morning, the afternoon, the evening, night. 6,000 a day. And do you have nearly 6,000 a day per person? When they play in the 2,000, when it is one. I'm telling you.
Now,
if you go to 6,000 a day times 30 days.
Imagine. You can't say that is 180,000.
180,000. Yeah? Man, I graduate nearly 150 salary.
It might not swear from 150,000. You can't even with deficit of 30,000.
Ojo the Google already. Access to your money. Yes.
No, you don't. I dare preach. And that is why so many people will come and establish something to work in Nigeria. I find out that the staff they employ will keep running the place down. But they are not paid.
Yes.
When you get 150,000, that is even one of the highest you can get anywhere. A graduate. Calculate 2,000 naira per day. For a meal, it's 180,000. Guess the boy you go tap going and coming back everybody. And if that, and you required him to come by 8 o'clock and stay till 5 o'clock. You have no see for alone in a day. 8 o'clock, get told by 5. No for 150 salary. How did you survive? How? So what we are saying is that it is practically impossible. The system have been designed to make you fail. And because they have been designed to make you fail, the people that have designed it have now told you to go and face that it is one spirit that is causing your downfall. It is not any spirit anywhere. If system was working, you don't need anybody to go and pray for money. The Igbo people that give you Jesus don't pray to get job. Job is already there. They don't pray for good road. Good road is there because it's government that will provide it. Human being like you and I. Nobody else. Not Chukumonso, not anywhere. Nobody else do it for them. They do it themselves. But here in Africa, they will give you Bible and say you should pray for a good life. Good life that is. In fact, even if you come to the life index, this lifespan of the people that are created in this universe, I think Japan is the highest.
Japan, yes.
Japan, one more point is also. They don't know. Okay? They don't know anybody. But the system have made it that once you are in that country, you will live like 87 years. Before you open here,
okay, now you barrister. Which means so go to Japan Japan. No, the system, none of the
system will make
you
sure
live them like that. You live like
that is average lifespan of a citizen living in that country. Because My brother,
okay.
What do you need? Like
my brain
online na-apụta kịta isi ebe atala afọ ikwu ebe na trafik ejide gị ibe nke bife na ebe gị na lụọ kwadrọ iji adawa generator maọbụ iwelu galọn je gbaa fuel ịgbatacha fuel bife na anata ọkụkụ 9:30 ụmụ ga-alarugo onwebe nke echiri n'abalị ihe bịa gbanye ọkụ kụrụrụ ife nwe echi n'ụtụtụ melụ mkpọtụ bulu carbon monoxide kpochie ebe gị ọkwa ka iwee fụ ụzọ wee makịtagono n'ihi eri n'abalị before imechi ife a ọ na-akwa 11 what kind of life imecha iwe ebe mụrụ anya ọ na-akụ 12 ihe je gbanye generator bukpo with heat, how do you survive? Now the people living in that everywhere is green. In fact,
green.
Cool life.
Everywhere is green.
As at the age of 18, you will go each owner, each on your salary, or God, you will get it. The system will tell you to pay. So they don't even trouble you. If you want loan, they will give you. If you want to be an entrepreneur, you don't need to come and bring your grandmother's certificate of birth before the bank will give you money. System has been designed to make you survive. They know you. They know you from the one where you are born. Yes. Even when the Bible says before you are born, they know you. These people have designed a system that know you from the day one you are born. And they have made life easy. If you want to live a simple life, go ahead. You want to go to the higher, you go ahead. But there is a minimum life expectancy of you. All things, unless someone accident.
Yes.
Accident yes. Because when speed limits of every distance, and when road distance, the system will fine you for running against the distance. So how will you die young? I know we should not die young. Meanwhile, your road. Go and check it. Travel from Anambra to Abuja today. And tell me how many times you pray on the road. How many times your heart caught because there is no network and the place is bushy and the road is very terrible.
My brake driver Abanike.
Oh.
When you get say no good John, you brake Nike.
When trailer is following you up and down, you cannot forget whoever because on the other trailer on the other side and half walk. Now motor nemoro AC. You were doing the one they bring in. 4 no AC. Oh, I want the other. Drive a book wali bunishi. So if that's all this hard life. And the 4 have now heat and then caronia chitaronia one bacteria. So all this Nigeria, first of all, our problem, our solution starts from liberating ourselves, knowing who we are first. Yeah. And then we elect the people that have made things happen, people that have worked and they have developed, they have made things happen.
Yes.
Those are the people that we know that it is bad for a woman to come back 9 o'clock or 8 o'clock in his house and there is no light. It is bad for you to be going to work in the morning and then you will, what do? You will come and on this thing in case they bring light when you are out.
On fridge.
On fridge. I was in Italy, living a fridge, but I'm never kind of life is that? And our people is saying that Jesus will, that is where my problem starts. How can the Europeans, the Americans, the Japanese, the Chinese, the Dubais, and every other people, or Jesus na lolo fankefa una ngokoluche? Why is our own? Why are we believing that one benevolent spirit from heaven will come and do it for us? It's you and I that will do it. And the earlier we do, the earlier we start knowing that truth, that it is our responsibility to do it, the better for us. That is the point.
Chief.
That is the point. So if you like, go to any religious place and start praying and rolling yourself on the ground, believing that your problem will be solved. We wish you good luck. We wish you good luck. We wish you good luck. You roll Lucian at the ground. If you finish rolling on the ground, you will come back and you'll find out that that problem you carried to that prayer ground is still as it is. I encountered real life problem. I encountered it. And I know where I got my solution.
Sure.
Oh, and to the practical solution, I went to the best of the best. And they saved my life.
With millions.
With me, of course, now.
With millions.
Go to Nigeria.
With millions. Yeah, now what about what cookie for?
Go come. And this is testimony. Them came and often know.
As it does.
Not Chineke. Yeah. Manoya as a zone. Everybody. Nobody is coming to save you. You have to do it yourself. You have to save yourself. No spirit is coming to save you. The only savior you have in this world is the government. I have been a victim of insecurity in this country. And when I say victim, I'm talking of first-hand victim. Kidnapping experience.
Face to face.
So what you are seeing live today is just a miracle. Those things you people call miracle. Okay? That is why I'm alive today. If government have provided security, why should I be afraid of walking on the road? But government has not provided this security. But the religious leader told you that if God does not secure a nation, no, you will quit here. You want to go give her mobile police. I can have zero get pro. Bango, give energy.
Now you know they again. When can you know that they know they again?
But the reality is here today.
Problem no they again.
Exactly. But the reality is here today. Just
sure.
February the another branch of Unoka. February I want to say Jesus na go ya. I can go ya have right that day. Near Jesus ga okpo. Nkemelu na kwaro bosi okwo na be no no ka. Ka ndị na-amara Chukwu batalụ wele egbe. Obo fuko ibo adokwa ị na-eti mkpu ihe asị nsọ dịka okwu iko. Obido na ọwọ no. Agba afa kanchi. Mmadụ ibe gị jelo ikpele Chukwu. Ndị na-amara Chukwu abata ebe agba afa kanchi.
Jesus anọ na-ekiri.
Anyị ekwu ndị nke ọzọ na-eme live na live video n'ihe ebe a bekpokolo ha ncha. Eseba from there to Niger State, Obunu na da foto gbolo ne give ya medu mogene o mana gbolo ne go si alo gina anyi we malo na insecurity all government governor all ndoka. Kedu oboso ni ve ya meme gi iwe malo na ya amụrụ anya ka azụ. Ochukwu gwalụ ndị Igbo na onye ndị ilo gbalụ gburugburu na-eche ndụ ya mche mgbe niile. Ọ sọrọ gị na Chukwu na-echeri ndụ ya. Ndụ anyị nwere bụ ngị nwe, it is your responsibility to secure it. And it is your responsibility to vote and elect people that will make sure that your property and your life is properly secured.
And that is why we are advising all the youth. If you are a member of a men and Ezeugo and join politics. Join politics.
That's one of the but say I go out. And we open in now, I can have 100 plus kita. But I assess 500,000. Man give all give me everything in a day, in a month. Go 150,000. You don't know that government is determining your future, your life.
Because they can raise school fees to 500,000. You can't do anything.
Last as of May 29, 2023, I take 12,000 naira to fill the tank of this car.
Yes, you're right.
Today it costs me 52,000 per week.
You're right.
How many percent increase? How many percent increase? As you are running the car, you are running your home, the generator in the house. If you are using generator, okay. That is how you power your home, you power your distance. The same thing, the person that you are buying watermelon. Watermelon that time was 500 naira. One big distance. Today is 5,000 naira. And you are a family. You buy one. How many will you buy? It will be enough for you. The same way, the school people that are paying, as of that time, they are paying a student school fees of 10,500. Today, they are paying 150 something thousand for a child. And you're telling me that it doesn't concern you. One man came to Eagle Square and said, subsidy gone. And that is how your life and my life became almost. In fact, they reduce you that are in middle class. They reduce you to lower class or poor. Of course, poverty now. And the people that are poor, which are millions, we are reduced to abject poverty. That is because one man made announcements on the day of inauguration. Subsidy is gone. He just said it, and that is how your life and my life will keep buying things on a higher price today, and keep your money became nothing. In fact, as of that May 29th, dollar was 420 naira now. Today, how much are you buying dollar? 500, that'll be 1,300.
1,000 something.
How many percent increase? You don't know those things. Those policies, woman policies, will be the thing that will change you. In fact, one decision of a government can render you poverty. Yeah, you can render you poor
forever.
In fact, it will useless your life. Almost if your name. You got some boy now for an account again for 500,000. You will get Jafia. You pull nylon now.
Of course. Oh, yeah,
you pull nylon now, bro.
Oh, yeah, marketer.
In an area like this, I thought I had money. But the money is gone. The system has collected it back because there's no more value. Because we are elected fools.
They were 10 million account. We need usually more for here. Ogula. I don't want to go account.
Ogula. And there's nothing you can do. You keep adjusting, just like we Nigerians. We keep adjusting to the new system. We keep adjusting ourselves. We keep, even when the thing is absolutely unencourageable, we keep adjusting until you die. I say, oh, now one land of yeah. Who told you is the will of God? Are we not praying for a long life? Why are we dying young? We are praying against poverty. Meanwhile, we are in fact, we are poverty capital of the whole world. We are praying against road accidents. Every day our road is crashing. Our cars are crashing on the road. So all the things we are praying for God to do for us here, it keep happening and you don't have sense that it's not God that will do it for you. In the China, choose where Gagama. Abutagin Nolan, big. I just want to join the politics, Bible task card, the Malo Party, you see, no one naira can Nigeria, but I'm working on that. Movement, yeah, movement, Abuta Logi, free motor, you put taking a stadium, a show. Emoro ambulance, you will go no but he had that show. Now that show about VJ City Boy movement. Here, you will not see any ambulance that will take you to hospital. No any doctor to attend to you. That is how.
Mathias State, no, shuttle bus. Those boys go 100 motors, more than 100 motors.
Okay.
100 shuttle.
You know how much they are putting in there?
100 pieces. More can I half 4.5 million. Way 2 million. My is like 500. I some near book of women came in in the city boy.
Yeah. How about I
go 100 motors pieces. 100 pieces.
It's a wonder. We are here. MS City boys, a look for. Bueno City boys, it's a wonder. Oh, yeah, possible. Our city guy, Naja. Well, I'm not easy. Oh, you open our city, it's a village. I open up a village. In my village. I want to know a village in Abuja.
In a city.
In a chacha. As in Dubai is no matter how high an eagle fly, the day he dies, his feather will touch the ground.
Of course.
Fekocha, Fekocha Megani, and Allow. Yeah? Ogalanyofonia, or powerful. Ogalanyofonia, powerful. Collective responsibility, collective distribution of commonwealth, which is what these people are clamoring for. That is what we are asking people. Let's make Nigeria work for everybody. Stop going to religious house, they will not help you. They will even compound your problem. They will tell you your brother is the cause of your problem. You are more than Negemologe the cause of your problem. They will tell you it is your brother or your father or your this thing. They will just give you reasons. They will pray for you and tell you that this one will happen and this one will happen. Okay, I will tell you receipt. I got you when you forget I need date was all yeah. I'm not remember that day. I just want to balance.
Yes.
So let us be guided. If I am a mother, if I am a dragon, Bobby, and Molo, you are Malo. Because the buy Tabu, let us open our eyes. Let us follow the reality. Malo no more on yellow gaka. First of all, you have to be educated. That is why P2B is clamoring. Education is the bedrock of every nation. If you are not educated, it's a one all on the buy I put a woman about Chaya Jauko, or Madia mechanic, Madia Lomota, Madia bomb plug tire. But I'm with Enalo. And not in the cello Nachineka to Lugego. Eh? Who are you to look anywhere? Since you were Jello Bank, since in Nemoki to Tagagona Bank. Okay, what can I find this?
Repeat here, again.
But it's true. Ever since I started using, I've never picked 1 naira from bank. Man, often they say go no one in the use. Man, they will never forget one. It went to the tier. But so you made mistake, we tell 10. I will actually send 10,000 or 100,000. We PL 10. I was there 1 million or 10,000. I took the block account to go. You didn't give it. I think that back. Not again. I think branch also give the money. I think a branch again. Well, that is the system. If there is no good system in place, okay, you are designed to fail already.
100%.
So what are we saying? We need to help our people. We need to help our people. We need to tell our people the truth. Because that is what they needed. The truth. And nothing but the truth. So you have a Malanya. Check your life from 2019, 2023 till now. How far? Only few are making. In fact, all the people that are benefiting from this government, they are good. But how far you? All of you that are on this line, and most of us that are middle this thing, or how far? Is your life better? At least then we're new government. And is your life worse than you met it before the government came? If it is, then you need to ask yourself the real question. What is the problem? Is it you? I'm going to buy a good time. A quarter. Also, Yamela, Niji, Bewe, Sianyazaro, Yadeka, Chineke, Tilinti, Nebera, and Tichika, there was someone else who was like Chukubalono, Megani, Puchitozo, Sinimoya Metelando, Nisia Goya Megani. It means that we are collectively responsible for our actions and inactions. Also action, but the Nkikwesi men and Kikwesi me Nemero. Yes, each and all some fools will go out there and get voters card and vote you like them to be your leader. Tomorrow,
now 2,000.
You will go and buy fuel for 2,500 naira or 5,000 naira. The one you're supposed to do, you have to do it yourself. God will not vote.
Maybe here we say, call them. We'll be no more every day.
ebe isi wee gafee
onye Malaysia nke ba onye gafee nwanne gị Daniel gị kenewe Chukwu.
Yes, God has done it for you.
Bernard Okpala ezigbo mmadụ onye akwawa strong member na Lagos branch. Okpala Bernard.
Okay,
ezigbo mmadụ azịbịgo ya baali mbọsị nje Lagos ụwara m nnukwu ọjị na shop ya na-agbakwa mbọ fụ na Lagos branch na-aga n'ihu. Ọ bụrụ ọsọ ige ntị ebe ọ na-atọ gụ joy na omenala bụ ụzọ Ezeugo branch ise ya barista bụ onye isi ndị Abuja branch. Anyị nọ na Lagos branch. Enugu branch ni ya Owerri ni ya Port Harcourt ni ya bịa ifuru onye na-ekwu onye akpụ dịka ihe onye akpụrụ ka o kwuru ụmụnna anyị bịachara Sunday onye opportunity ya kwuo okwu dịka bịa join na this movement adịghị eme ka ịkwụ tight na ọka egwu eziokwu liberate others
and liberate yourself
wepụ ụjọ wepụ fear nwe ihe ya eme gị taa kpọta Jesus ka o nyere gị aka unu fụrụ onye nke na-ede brother please help me and my family ebe a since help reality hit gị. I think he will be the one see me video send nke akpọrọ ọ send again chine ya na Ghana na agụ egbo ya na family. I would think he's the one writing Chima Lewis hit again now type akpọzigo more than 50 missed call ona he so since ya na-edebe ọ bụrụ ihe anyị na-edebe a ka o so ga-akọ na ọ na-akọgodo mkpa ya please help me maka na o jide gị ifo na oda this our brother Chima Lewis na o soro ga-ekwu ma eze aka na-ekwu na ọgụdọ ebe ahụ reality a hitiri ya na asị mbiko m nyere aka Maazị Ejike Okolo ịgbago kwa ọbara ka ị gara gị.
Because our children is coming. Ụmụaka anyị na-abịa.
Sure.
Ewere ụdị asha wee tụọlụ the next generation obodo a na n'ihi. It is our responsibility to tell them that the reality is reality, metaphysical belongs to metaphysical.
Yes.
Ya nọrọ ebe a mụa Chineke kele mụ ka ụmụ mmadụ mee nwa anụ arụ nọkwa Maazị Ezeaku ka na-emetụ aka anụ arụ na ọbara bụ ife a.
Yes.
Nchechive mma agụ ya eji wee bagharịa ụlọ ka ọ dị ka mmadụ na-adị ọ bụrụ ihe mmecha na-akụziri ya spiritual thing ibu spirit kedu ife iji eme oife n'ido gwana ya ka o ya echi wee nna na ịlụtakwana ife akịta iwere ya wee thousands of people n'ọlụ fana ediju afọ fana ebi ndụ ka mmadụ otu Chineke kwesịrị ka mmadụ ji wee bie ndụ
moto anụ everything ofu ihe short ọ na ya kịta kọmọnụ mmiri gwụ na ya ọ kwụsịrị ọrụ
onye dịrị ọbara Jizọs
kọmọnụ mmiri ihe niile na-arụ ọrụ si ya na-atọ isebe ito na egwu play na ndị ojii ụmụ Anambra steeti na n'ọzụkwu ya ụgwụnụ nwa ka a na-akwado okwu a biko ụmụaka Imo na Ebonyi na-abịa ụmụ Enugu bụ anyị na n'ọkụ ya mụ Delta kedu ụdị ifu ụmụgụ ndị a na-eri anyị daim dịkọta ọkụ niile ka ọ na-enwe tinye trafiketọ ọtụwa kpamkpamkpa ifuru ya kekwanye ọkwụsị itinye saịdị asaịdị nke ọzọ atụwa ịnafe egiri na-atụnụ itinye saịdị anahụ saịdị atụwa solution onye sogo na zamani chọrọ ịbanye ebe a
ofu waya ka ọtụ akịta injin ahụ
ihe niile akwụsị iron niile ame just ofu fuse can stop all these big things. Saturday night Steve everything.
That is system working.
Iti egwu a na-akpọ egwu a na-akpọ ịnụwo okwu mmadụ ị na n'okwu mmadụ m na-ajụ mpa mgbe m pere mpe kedu onye nwere n'ime akpati ya n'ebe mgbe m na-akpọ redio ụmụ Anambra steeti na anọkwu ya ụnụ anọzikwa ọhụrụ nwa ka na-asị isi ndị ọcha sara isi ya nke a biko ọrụ ụmụ gị jewe na ụmụaka anyị niile ike ọrụ nwatakịrị mmụta na akọ spirit ọsị gị show me ụmụ m nke jọkpara m aka m njọ enwe nke ọ na-ekwukwu okwu na-asị ya ọrụ ụmụ gị bịa ka ụmụaka anyị join na sayensị Meri na Mata abụrụ ụmụnna anyị onye ọcha na-aza Meri jụọ ife onye bụ veji Meri ọsị gị na ọ mara mana afọ ya Meri emesịa na onye afọ taa ka afọ echi anyị na-echezi Ezeugo Global echi niile ka ọ kpọọ anyị na fon ya maazị kene ndị Igbo
ọ bịala ije nwụọla anya na-agbasa ozi
nke bụ
onye na ya atụsara ya nwanne ya that miracle ị na-eche ọ dị you ọdụ ya bụ aka gị meri onwe gị ị na-eche mgbe Chukwu nsọ ya gbadata n'elu gị ya I wish you good luck ọ dị mma onye na-akpọ ya ji uche ya ya gazie
na ụmụ Chineke daalụ.